What's going on? Health update. Feeling much better today. I still have something lingering, but I could tell a difference today, like getting up and getting out of bed. If anyone cares, that's that. Uh News. We had our PP news this morning at 8:30. Doesn't really look like much though. 60 point move. News this week wasn't really wanting to move the markets too much, I guess. I think we'll just be cautious at 10 like normal. Other than that, nothing really else. I don't think we have to worry about anything else. Hmm. And I guess we'll just keep expecting chop until we can get out of all of this. We're about to be opening up in the same, right? About the same area as yesterday. We'll see. So it was an odd week for the market, it feels. Next week. Oh, we've got FOMC next week. Wonder if that's why we're just kind of slowing down. But that's a big reason why we're not moving too much. Yesterday the bots did take a trade. But it's on the 5 minute. I mean, it was super choppy yesterday, and it was definitely a loser. But right here at 11:40 on the 5 minute, had a 5 minute fair value gap. There was a swing right here that was within the gap. So bot shorted this up here around 311 with the stop at this candle. So obviously market wasn't willing to continue, and we ended up just getting stopped out back here. But no big deal. One small loss. This 5 minute chart yesterday is ugly though. So this is where we stand with everything. We've got less than 500 to go with the account we're trading, that we're manual trading. ideally we'll pass that today or tomorrow, and then next week have 5, and then maybe start picking up some 50K accounts to try to pass with the I think Apex has 80% off right now, so we'll do that. But I'm not going to buy them until I get this passed. Oh, plus we have 13, 14 days. And the funded fees on all these that I've had to pay in the last couple weeks kind of sucks. So I need to slow it down on passing these accounts. We need to start making some money on them before we worry about getting even more. could see us I could see us reaching for like these lows down here. Let's see what we got going on ES. Again, ES is like way closer to its all-time highs versus us on Nasdaq. 300 points away. say I don't know what the hell the market wants to do. We're just gonna wait for things that we recognize and then try to capitalize. Damn it. I think we missed the forgot SpaceX was launching.
Wow. Look at those views.
Hot staging confirmed.
Yes.
Boosters now making its way back, seeing 6 engines ignited on ship.
Yes.
Kate, we got a Starship on its way to space and a booster on the way back to the Gulf.
Oh man, I need a moment to pick my jaw up from the floor because these views are just stunning. These are live views from Starship. First stage is currently performing the
Ship avionics, power and telemetry nominal.
Good there, news informing us that the second stage or the ship, everything looking good, nominal there. First stage is currently performing the boost back burn, expecting that to last about 1 minute. That boost back burn.
Pressure is nominal.
That boost back burn propels the booster back towards the coast, taking it to a landing in the waters of the Gulf of Mexico. We're only using the Super Heavy boosters 13 center engines from here on out.
All right. Well, let's what the hell is this? All right, let's see if she moves today. I would like to just get in and get out today. The 1 minute came up to this gap. I'm thinking we're reaching for way down here. Just going to be one of those days again. This is not ideal. Well, we only needed 500 to pass today, but not after that one. I just don't get what is up with us. Like, we don't go anywhere. Like that we created this gap right in the same area as this one. I just don't trust Nasdaq at all lately. Just swept all these little short-term highs. Knives, what's going on? You already trade today? How are the markets that you look at? Because these ones lately suck. Gappers. Like you trade stocks that are opening up at with a gap overnight, right? Is that what that means? I like this coming back into this little dude. See if we can keep going up to freaking 414. ES does not want to move like at all. Graham, what's going on? Just a time for another red. I already took a pretty nasty loss back here. I shorted that and could have scalped it. Got my handful of points that I'm usually after, but I didn't. Yeah, I feel like the chop days have been more often lately. I just have to get out of that. Man, this account was about to be passed today or tomorrow, and now it's about to be blown here in a couple of minutes. But God. Yeah, it's okay. Cause I mean, you guys know my plan is we just trade these evals to try to pass them. But once they're passed, my trading doesn't affect them anymore. So why not just be aggressive and try to pass them quickly? What are we doing? Oh, now we're gonna go after this. This is what I was wanting earlier when I shorted. Got this order block to protect us. Yo, Joseph, thanks. It's not good so far. this damn account. We were 500 from passing it. Now look at it. It's all butchered. I don't think it's going to make it. Here's a level I marked out earlier on the 15-minute, couple equal lows right here. Just took them out. Oh, how is my order way down there? I just clicked it. Should have just taken what it was showing me right away. We're getting some weird latency issues or something. Jesus. Oh, look at yes. Look at that's crazy. Jack Attack, what's going on? These costs creep up on me. Like as soon as we enter, we're automatically in plus $200. And I don't understand what's happening. I want to short this if we break past here. These setups are, this account has no drawdown left. So we're just trying to ride the momentum. This is okay this time though, Knives. It's like I said, it's not like I don't carry these habits over into any accounts that matter. We're just trading these evals for entertainment purposes. And then if we get them past, let the bots trade them. So it's not like I can't make a bad habit that's going to like affect those accounts because I don't trade them anyways, you know? Before, if we were going to manual trade the funded accounts, wanted to make sure we stay disciplined, trade your evals the way you're going to trade your performance accounts. ES, I would think, has a couple more points to give. Should translate to this. Somewhere over here, maybe on Nasdaq. Oh damn! Got a bot trade over there. Look at that. It's rare. Oh my god! If that enters, that's not gonna get out. It's aiming for way down here. Jesus. There's no way. There's no freaking way that ends up playing out. 300 points. Two micros would be $1,200. There's no freaking. There's no way. I'm gonna leave it. It's a crazy trade right there. Jesus. So we created a 5-minute fair value gap. We have a swing. Stop at the first candle of that. Those the 3-candle pattern. And then it's targeting a 1.9 risk to reward ratio if the entry was down here. So from the risk from here to here, and then timesing that by 1.9 to figure out to aim for that. I mean, it could happen, but Jesus. We should probably get out of this trading. Make sure this is on all of them. Damn, I was really hoping to have a fifth PA account, but that's not happening with this one. Still think Nasdaq has room to go lower. Frick. Oh, well, we didn't have any room, I guess. Well, that's that for that for that account. I wasn't I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it today when I got on the charts. But like I said, we're just taking these cheap evals and trying to rack up more PAs for the bots. So like this doesn't hurt as bad as if I thought, or as if I was getting funded accounts to trade manually. Actually, it doesn't hurt at all because I've had to pay for those 4 accounts in the last couple weeks, and I wasn't really looking forward to paying another funded fee here in the next 24 hours. Again, another $80 or $100 or whatever. It's just for your entertainment, Knives. I mean, I told you guys I've kind of given up on the idea of manual trading. I'm just not I'm not looking to I'm not trying to manual trade and make money. I and my role is to maintain the bots, build more of those, and then have those making my money. And then I'll manual trade because it's an addiction, and I'll manual trade the evals to get more fundeds for the bots. So that's my justification, and that's where my head's at lately. If you don't want to watch that, you don't have to watch it. But I definitely don't think my goal is to be a YouTuber either. I'm on here for like 45 minutes. What do you make of that, Mr. Knife? One Stop Trader, good morning. You guys are all late. Just lost this account. Finally a bloodbath. Yeah, the market finally freaking moved. I was in a short this morning at 9:31 right here, and then we just started freaking chopping and oh yeah, for sure. I mean, it's kind of tough. You almost kind of got to get lucky passing the 25Ks with minis. I mean, we've seen Nasdaq sometimes. Lately, it's barely been moving, so I feel like it's been fine to try to trade the minis with the 25Ks, but now today, of course, we were about to pass it, and then the market wanted to finally wanted to start moving. We lost the eval too. Well, tomorrow I'm gonna start. Tomorrow I'll start trying to pass at 50K. Give us a little more wiggle room. If Apex was 90% off, I would just buy a bunch of 25Ks and they have 1 day to pass. So just hedge them. I don't know. How much is a 50K with them right now? Alito, I'm sure you have all that crap memorized, don't you? 37 bucks, not bad. Oh, bam. Yeah, I need to keep an eye out for super cheap accounts. God. Like the more I talk, the more it messes with my throat and it makes me cough. Well, let's I mean, I'm not gonna sit around and wait for this. Obviously, well, not obviously, but it would be pretty gnarly if trade works out. Back up and tag us in, and then just drop. Thinking about going and getting a 50K right now, but I don't know. Wasn't really feeling it today trading, so I don't think I definitely shouldn't trade anymore. This trade also could be canceled if we get another setup somewhere else. Where did this move even come from? Was there something at 945? I mean, it wasn't right off the bat. We kind of dicked around for a little while first. This was our open right here. It was looking like just another grindy. It's looking like another grindy day. Damn, I took a lot of trades today. Well, I guess I'm going to just jump off of here. I don't have anything else to do. There's no point in watching that. Next week, hopefully, I should feel way better next week, and then I can get back to staying on longer or back to my normal, like at least till 11. Feels weird getting off so early, but still not feeling 100%. Oh, get me one and pass it for me, and then I'll let it run on there. And then also Mondays and Fridays, I want to try to stay on a little longer with you guys. But we'll just do that on a Monday and Friday basis, depending on what's going on. These trailing drawdowns for the bots I don't think will affect them too much. Like this trade, it's about to, if it gets into this one, it's only risking 146. As long as I stay 1 or 2 micros, my max drawdown should be fine. But you guys be careful trading the rest of the day. Tomorrow we'll start a 50K eval. And then if we get that passed, we can have the bot trade that with more size than just 2 micros. But you guys be careful, and we'll be back tomorrow morning. Again, next week I'll plan on staying on longer. I should be 100% by Monday. But you guys take it easy, and talk to you guys later.